Hello, in this video I will go over how to calculate z-scores for raw data inside of StatCrunch. So first I'm going to go over the population z-score. So for this we are going to go over to data, compute expression. And the expression that we are going to use for this is going to be parenthesis, the name of the column. In this case I'm going to use the at-bat column, so AB, minus the mean of that column, again AB in this case, divided by, since we're using the population z-score, this should be divided by the unadjusted standard deviation of that column. And the nice thing about doing it this way is, when we hit compute, it gives us all those z-scores. Again though, that's just for the population. If we wanted the sample, instead of using the unadjusted standard deviation, we would just use the regular standard deviation. And then when we hit compute with that, do notice how these new values we just calculated are different than the population standard deviation. Thank you.